right, so let's go ahead and put into drive. Like I said, the shifter is down here. All you need to do is twist upward and we are all set. So like I mentioned, underneath the hood of this model is featuring the 3.5 liter naturally aspirated V6, producing 284 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque. All that power sent through an 8-speed automatic transmission. Remember, you can get a Hyundai Palisade now with a 2.5 liter hybrid 4-cylinder that you'll be able to get. But so far, let's set out. Really good acceleration, even for the V6. Mirror, this car weighs around 5,000 pounds, but that V6 actually gives a pretty good amount of low-end torque for this model. And once you accelerate, really, really, really nice. I'm gonna come over here to the bump. Even the suspension feels fantastic going over those bumps. Not rare, rarely when it comes to vehicles in this category, especially at the price range of this vehicle, a lot of the suspension is very rocky, but the best thing is that these rear suspensions that they have are multi-link and they're also independent. So they're able to go ahead and adjust its overall calibration by each bump you go over, so it doesn't sway between the side of the car. So it doesn't make your car rock, which is something I really love and is very premium for being in a mainstream, vehicle or company like Hyundai is. I just love the way that they've been able to calibrate all of their stuff. But let's go ahead and go back over here to South Dixie, and then we're going to take it back to the dealership. We're going to see how it feels when we accelerate over here as well. Just remember, this is the front wheel drive version, so when you accelerate, it does wheel spin a little bit, but it's not too bad. It's actually really, really good. Man, this is very nice. Premium materials, premium seats. The fact that we have cooled seats in here for the premium model is just very impressive. I really like the way that Hyundai has produced these vehicles. They continue to amaze me every single time a new product comes out. And this is just the beginning. I mean, this is just the beginning of this exact generation for the Palisade. I can only imagine what else is to come. But once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. If you guys are interested in purchasing any Hyundais whatsoever, make sure to go ahead and contact Kendall Hyundai and ask for Manny Ginori, which is right over there. But once again, thank you once again. And make sure to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.